This week you're going to hear directly from our customer. My hope is that this provides you with the insight and the confidence to work with us and bring that digital future to life. Thank you again for being here.
Data, science, and technology is in our DNA. And I'm confident that the insights and the connections that you make here will inspire your journey towards your intelligent enterprise.
Digital is in our DNA. It is at the heart of everything that we do. At Halliburton, we're not just talking about digital, we are executing it at the speed of now. This is Halliburton. This is digital executed.